Hello guys, if you go to your hobby shop and you see that box with that signature here, it means you're in front of the new Ultimate R36 engine. What comes into that combo? This engine is just sold as a combo and it comes with this, with two boxes. One for the engine and one for the pipe. This one is number 60. Why? Because it's only 150 engines, it's limited edition and it's already break-in. When you open the box for the engine, you find a sheet explaining about my beginning on the Ultimate Racing since 1999, some winnings like the World Championship, and then on the other side you will see the break-in time. Like in this case, that number 60, it had 11 hours and 30 minutes break-in in oil and so on. Also, a little recommend about how many fuel tanks you have to do and about the carburation, which is pre-tuned already, so you will not have to change many things on the needles. Then we'll have the new AirMax air filter from Ultimate. It comes also inside the combo. It comes also another Venturi 6.0, and it comes the 6.5 inside the engine. The engine. It's an Ultimate engine with some mods and also a new head with all silver here, and of course new design. 36 here with a number, in this case the 60 I told you, out of 150. And then you have the pipe. The pipe is with a new coating. You will like it so much. It's super clean and super comfortable to use because it's always looking same. And of course the performance is super good as it is a standard supersonic pipe but with this coating. And also we'll have that piece. This piece is for the pipe, so it supports the pipe and you will be able to leave the pipe a bit free on the mount, so it will have a bit more performance when you're racing on the track. So I hope you like it.